Welcome to English Life 24, where every word is a window and every sentence a step forward. Whether you're just beginning or finding your rhythm, this is your space to grow, to feel, and to speak from the heart. Let's learn English not just for exams, but for life, for love, for connection. Ready? Let's begin this journey together. There's no single road to learning a language, only the one that feels like home to you. In this lesson, we'll explore how to find your rhythm, your voice, your way. Whether you learn through music, stories, silence, or song, this is your space to grow. Let's discover your own way of learning English together. I live in a small room. It is quiet. No one speaks English here. But I want to learn. I want to speak English well. I want to understand movies, songs, and books. I want to talk to people from other countries. I want to travel. I want to grow. So I start. I start with one word, then two, then a sentence, then a small story. I am alone, but I am not afraid, because I have a dream, and my dream is strong. I do not have a teacher. I do not go to school. But I have a phone. I have the internet. I have a notebook. I have my voice. I use YouTube. I watch videos. I listen. I repeat. I pause. I write. I speak. I use a dictionary. I look up new words. I write them down. I say them out loud. I make sentences. I use songs. I sing. I feel the words. I enjoy the music. I use movies. I watch with subtitles. I listen again. I copy the actors. I learn how they speak. I use my mirror. I talk to myself. I smile. I practice. I am my own teacher. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel slow. Sometimes I forget words. Sometimes I make mistakes. But I do not stop. I say, it's okay. I say, try again. I say, you are learning. I believe in myself. I believe in my dream. I believe in my way. I do not compare. I do not say, they are better. I say, I am growing. I say, I am learning. I say, I am enough. Every day I do something. I read one page. I listen to one video. I write one sentence. I speak one paragraph. I do not wait. I do not say tomorrow. I say now. I talk to myself. I talk to the wall. I talk to the sky. I talk to my cat. I use what I know. I do not wait to be perfect. I use small words. I use simple sentences. But I speak. And I smile. I watch people on YouTube. They teach me. They smile. They help me. I read comments. I see other learners. They are like me. They are learning too. I join groups. I write messages. I ask questions. I answer questions. I find friends. I find support. I find hope. I am alone in my room, but I am not alone in my journey. We are many. We are strong. We are learning. Now I can read more. Now I can write more. Now I can speak more. Now I can understand more. I feel proud. I feel happy. I feel strong. I remember my first word. It was small, but it was the start. Now I know many words. Now I can tell my story. Now I can help others. I am not perfect, but I am better, and I keep going. You are learning English. Maybe you are alone. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you feel slow. But you are not weak. You are not late. You are not wrong. You are brave. You are smart. You are strong. Start small. Start today. Use what you have. Use your voice. Use your heart. Speak. Read. Write. Listen. Every day. Step by step. Word by word. You will grow. You will shine. You will speak English. You will tell your story. And one day, you will say, I did it. I learned English. My own way. Alone. But perfect. Thank you for sharing this moment with English Life 24, where language meets life and learning feels like home. If today's words touched your heart or helped your voice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every day brings a new chance to speak your truth. So come back tomorrow. Your next English moment is waiting.